man. I just paid that boy, man. Stop 5-0, man. It is, man. Today is a special video for me because my build will be finished with this one mod. I will be officially a full bolt-on RT. You know what I'm saying? Before I even get started with the video, we already know, make sure you like up the video. Make sure you hit subscribe, man. My channel is growing. I'm ready to hit 1,000. I can't lie to you, but I know it's gonna take time. You feel me? What's in the box, you will find out once I get part and get everything installed. I'm gonna give y'all a review on the 392 intake while I got this new mod going on. I didn't want to give y'all that because I knew it was coming in like a couple more days. So just stay locked in with your boy Milk, man. I'll turn back on the camera when I pull up to the shop. It is. I'm turning back on the camera. I'm going to reveal it to y'all, man. Oh shit! Hold on, bro. Trippy, bro. Yeah, they dropped that, man. Can't lie. Throttle body, you feel me? It's a big boy 90. We can style, you know what I'm saying? Nothing exciting. I'm just trying to give y'all a review of the 392 intake with this, you know what I'm saying? So I can get the full effect, because it's really gonna be pointless. Hopefully I get a couple races in later on, either Friday. Today, what are they at? So I'm gonna get a couple pulls in, something slight, nothing major. Get that motherfucker here, boy. I said motherfucker. Yeah, well, I'm gonna give y'all a compare side by side when that bit come out. See the difference, bro? You feel me? That's a lot of motherfucker. Hopping it could. That's a lot of air, bro. The big boy different. Ah, they get that bit on here right there. Big, man. Look like me. Boy. This man, cause this big mob, man, you know what I'm saying? Probably finna have to go to a parts store to get a different one of these real quick so I can go around. As you can tell, you see, it won't fit. You feel me? So, bear with me, you know what I'm saying? I come to Advanced Auto Shop. J and Elite. Nah, them ain't Levi. Oh, boy. Let's see what we can get real quick. I'm looking for like the intake adapter to make like the intake. Yeah, down here. So we can find, you feel me? See, I be having to get used to this right here, cause I really don't like recording in front of folks. I be getting nervous. Fuck. You got to be talking about them little motherfuckers.
Little bit, them little as fuck.
Well, mama them bitches little. Unless you get, nah, that's them little too. I need that what most people use right there, adapter. That be a little. So country, I had the cuss right there. 334 customs. Hold it down.
Fuck, SRT stage. Come on, girl.
I'm trying to get these. Come on, put that.
Look at these niggas, man.
Wham.
Bam, bam.
Install is complete, very simple.
For customers.
Yeah.
For mechanic. Yeah. No, we just put big boy throttle bite on it. 90. Yeah. Yeah.
Big boy.
Yep.
What's up to YouTube?
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? You know we outside. Hey, man.
Boy, give me that. But you feel me, late night ride, you feel me? But listen, y'all already gonna see the clip. Hey, I'm on my mama, they be running. And they like, yeah. Yeah, my shit running, I can't lie to you, like, I don't got nobody to get in the car with me because it ain't that many of us out here to actually record me. Then my GoPro is broke. So I'm in the process of ordering 2 GoPros for inside and out. You know what I'm saying? But overall, my car is 100% dialed in. I got one more thing I need to do, just a data log to send out to Jay Green one more time. And my shit gonna really be done. You feel me?
I just paid that boy, man, stop 5-0, man. Just paid him. He done spent 15 bands on the motor. I done beat him, stop.
Yes, sir, man. Jet I won. You feel me? After the video I lost, I would say 2. You know what I'm saying? The burgundy one is my homeboy. He got a cam in that bit. That's the 6.4. He's full bolt on just like mine is. We just really came out here to see how cars perform on the thing, you know what I'm saying? I just lost to that white Mustang to my boy. I can't say his name because I spit, man. But anyway, I lost. You know what I'm saying? I ain't tripping W's and L's. I'm learning through the process, you know what I'm saying? I'm turning that little baby down, that new little baby. But I'm gonna close the video right here, man. I didn't want to make it short and sweet, you know what I'm saying? Just to give y'all an update real quick. But I know I gotta send my dad-in-law to Jay Green, and I know I might throw my slicks on just to see how I perform out here where we be at in Mexico. But other than that, man, I'm proud of myself, bro. This is a big accomplishment for myself, bro. Full bolt on, like, it took me a year and a half, a year and some months, man. I'm just proud of myself, bro. I appreciate y'all going along for the ride, man. You know what I'm saying? Even when I didn't post that many videos, I was working in behind the scenes, man. I'm just proud of myself, pat on the back. Tonight was a successful night with the guys, and then the many others as of right now. You know what I'm saying? But overall, bro, I appreciate the love and support. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. I'm very passionate about it. Make sure you hit that like button too, bro. I want to say I salute y'all. Appreciate all the love and support, man. It's your boy Melt, man. I'm getting teary-eyed right now because I finally did everything I said I'm gonna do, but I got more coming, man. I'm out. Yeah.